Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariel, and today I'm going to be talking about how to build a dark academia capsule wardrobe. Oh, this? Why yes, this outfit is Princess Polly. Thank you for asking. Thank you very much to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. In addition to talking about how to build a dark academia capsule wardrobe, I'm also going to be showing you some outfit ideas. And all of these items are from Princess Polly, so if you like any of these outfits, definitely check them out and use my code Mariel for 20% off your purchase. Princess Polly ships from the United States and they offer free express shipping on orders over 50 USD to the United States, and they also offer AfterPay and ShopPay to all US customers, so a lot of great features there, and definitely recommend checking them out, and I will link them down below as well. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you aren't already, and if you want more fashion content, follow me on Instagram at DRESSRELIEF and on TikTok at DRESSRELIEF, and let's jump right into this video. If you're not familiar with what a capsule wardrobe is, it's basically a curated selection of clothing that all complement each other and you can mix and match and put into different outfits, and usually the goal is to have as little clothing as possible but still be able to create as many outfits as possible. So in this video I'm going to have 8 pieces of clothing, again all from Princess Polly, and I'm going to try to make as many outfits as I can with them. I think I came up with around 15 outfits, but I think you can even come up with even more than that because you can really just mix and match a lot of the pieces and use a lot of layering and come up with different outfits that way. So first I'll show you all the pieces I have for my capsule wardrobe, starting with what I'm currently wearing. First off, I have this brown mock neck bodysuit, and it's such a stretchy material and I really love it because I don't know about you, but I hate putting turtlenecks on while I have my full face of makeup on and then getting makeup on the turtleneck, but this is so stretchy I'm able to put it on without it touching my face, and it's really comfortable too. It also has a cutout in the back which I think is super cute and makes the item more unique. If it is colder, I'd probably layer on a bit more, which is perfect because I got this piece mostly as a layering piece for under layers, but it also makes a really cute piece for that transitional period between summer and fall, which is perfect because that's the weather where I am right now. And then to complement this top, I also have this plaid mini skirt, and I think this is super cute. I was looking for a brown plaid mini skirt for the longest time and I finally found this one. The fabric feels pretty thick and it's well made, which I really love, and again I think it'll be perfect for that summer to fall transitional period, and I think I can even wear it more into the fall with some tights underneath and some more layers on top. Now this mini skirt is perfect for the climate where I live, but if you live in a colder climate you might want to go for a longer skirt or maybe another pair of pants instead. The next top I have is probably one of my favorite pieces in this little capsule wardrobe, and it's this super silky, satiny button-down shirt. I think button-down shirts are such an essential for dark academia fashion. They can go with pretty much everything and you can layer them under sweaters, cardigans, etc. And I love this one because the fabric is so soft and just kind of feels luxurious and expensive and kind of makes me scared that I'll mess it up, so I want to be really careful with it. But I think it's super pretty and elegant. It can be dressed up or down, worn for work or worn more casually, and I'm really excited to style this one. Alright, so for our capsule wardrobe we already have 2 different types of tops, and I think that's a pretty good number to start with. We have this turtleneck top and we have the button-down top, which are both a little bit different, and you know, you could switch it out and have some variety already. But next I would go for a light layer such as a sweater or a cardigan. So for my light layer I have a cardigan, and I think this cardigan is really cute and has some pearl detailing that goes down. It's the perfect length to wear over a skirt, or you could tuck it in and that looks good as well. And I also think it would kind of fit the fairy core aesthetic as well as the dark academia aesthetic because the sleeves are flared at the end, which I think is super cute and gives off a little bit of that fairy vibe. But of course cardigans always fit the dark academia aesthetic as well, and I picked this one in this super cute beige color. As you can see, I'm going for like a brown cream beige color scheme, but I'm also throwing in some black colors there as well, as you will see in my next few items, just because black goes with everything and you know, it's an essential. But I'm pretty much just going for a neutral aesthetic in general, and I think that's perfect for the dark academia aesthetic, and neutrals always go with that aesthetic, and it's perfect for a capsule wardrobe because everything will match, so you can pair every top with every pants pretty much. Next, for building a capsule wardrobe we need a heavier layer. Now if I live somewhere colder I'd probably go for a wool overcoat, and I did see a lot of tempting options for those on Princess Polly as well, but since I live in a pretty warm climate, I instead went for this brown leather blazer. If you also live in a warmer climate, I think a blazer or sports coat is the way to go because, you know, it's also known as an essential for dark academia wardrobe, and so a blazer in a neutral color or in a color of the dark academia color palette would be perfect for the aesthetic. So yeah, I went with a brown one, and I did go for a vegan leather material just to spice it up a little bit, modernize it a little bit, and so I think you can dress it up or down as well. It can be super casual since leather blazers are so trendy right now. And I really like this one. It's lined inside. It has some pockets, which I haven't ripped open yet, but pockets are always a plus. I love this dark chocolate brown color, and I think it'll be really easy to match with a lot of different items, so it'll be pretty versatile. It feels really soft, and it did not come with that nasty fake leather smell that a lot of vegan leather products come with, so I'm very pleased with that. Next, I have a couple more options for bottoms. First, I have these black pleated trousers, which are super simple and like such an essential. I always recommend a pair of pleated trousers for dark academia wardrobe because they fit the aesthetic so perfectly. They go with pretty much everything: turtlenecks, button-down shirts, cardigans, sweaters. They're so versatile, and the ones I get are usually in a straight leg or wide leg cut, which makes it so comfy and roomy, so you can easily layer some leggings or something underneath in case it's colder in your area. I think these in particular would also do really well in the summer because they are 30% linen, so they feel really breathable and flowy, and I'm excited to wear these when the weather gets warmer again. But what's my favorite part of these pants, you ask? Look at these pockets. Look how deep they are. I can fit my iPhone Max in here. Isn't that insane? I never see pockets this deep on girl clothes, and they still look good. Like, it's not like bulging out in front. It still looks pretty flat when I wear them, which I can show later on when I try them on. I don't know, I was just amazed that women's clothes can actually have practical pockets. Also, I think these can be dressed up or down as well, so again, very versatile piece. And then for another pair of trousers, I got these plaid ones because plaid always fits the dark academia aesthetic, and I think this is a really cute plaid pattern. It's like an orange and black pattern, which kind of reminds me of Halloween, but I think it still looks cute even outside of the Halloween holiday. It is also pleated, and it also has pockets. Always a plus. And these are a little bit more wide leg and baggier, which I like because I think I can wear them in more casual outfits as well as dark academia outfits, so I think they are pretty versatile as well. They're also 100% cotton, so I love the material. I love items that are like 100% cotton, 100% linen, etc. And they feel really nice. And because this is kind of a louder print, I kind of consider this to be like my statement piece of my capsule wardrobe. And finally, for my last item, I have this pair of black boots. I have been looking for a pair of boots like this for the longest time. I wanted a chunky lug sole boot, so I'm really happy I stumbled upon this one. And it also has like a sock kind of material at the top, which makes it pretty comfortable. And then it's like this shiny, I don't know what materials are called, but it's like this shiny kind of boot. I think it's really cute, the contrast between like the fabric and the shininess, and they're pretty comfortable. And I think a shoe in a neutral color is perfect for a capsule wardrobe. It goes with pretty much anything. I think this will match pretty much all of my outfits. So to sum up building a dark academia capsule wardrobe, I would start with 2 to 4 basic tops, maybe like a turtleneck like this one, a button-down shirt, maybe another blouse. Try to get basic pieces that you can layer, but also try to have some variety. And then I would go for some light layers, a sweater or a cardigan, and then a thicker layer like a blazer, a sports coat, or maybe an actual long wool coat. And then I would go for 2 to 4 bottoms, so trousers, slacks, or maybe a mini skirt or a longer skirt. And for all of these pieces, try to keep it cohesive and in the same color palette. For dark academia, the easiest thing to go for would be neutral colors, browns, blacks, grays. But if you wanted to spice it up a bit, or if you like more color, maybe go for like a gem tone kind of color palette like burgundies, emerald greens, navy blues, plum colors, and I think that would work as well. And then of course pick 1 or 2 pairs of shoes that also fit that color scheme and go with pretty much all of your outfits. And now let's move on to outfits. Okay, so for this first outfit, I'm styling the button-down shirt tucked into my plaid trousers and of course my boots because it's like my only shoe in my capsule wardrobe. And then I also cut the sleeves of the shirt. And another thing I really love about this top is that it's not see-through. I only have a bra under here and you can't even see the outline of the bra. And I just feel like a lot of white button-down shirts are usually see-through, but I think like the satiny material of this makes it like pretty thick and not see-through, so I really like that. I also feel like this is a good base outfit, so to make even more outfits, you can add on more layers. You can throw on the blazer, or you can wear the turtleneck underneath this, and you pretty much have 3 different outfits now. So for this outfit, instead of the silky button-down shirt, I have on the brown mock neck bodysuit tucked into the plaid trousers, and then I threw on my brown leather blazer over it, and of course paired it with the black boot. Next, for another basic outfit, before I get into a little bit more layering, I just tucked in the cardigan into the plaid trousers. Now I think all of those tops can be used to layer on top of each other as well, but I just wanted to show how for the very basic outfits you can just style each top with each pair of bottoms. So yeah, I was able to style each top by itself with the plaid trousers, but in the next coming outfits I'm going to add a little bit of spice and layer the tops on top of each other. Alright, so layering. I have on the brown mock neck layered underneath the silky button-down shirt, and then I have the blazer on top of that, paired it with my black trousers, and I feel like this gives me retro detective vibes, and I really love the look. It feels so cool and mysterious, especially with the leather blazer, and I just love how the silkiness of the button-down shirt contrasts with the edginess of the blazer. For a little bit more light layering, I have on the cardigan over the button-down shirt, and I tuck that all into the black trousers again, and of course my black boots again. And I feel like these two pieces go really well together because they give off kind of romantic vibes. The silkiness of the shirt is super elegant and romantic, and then I feel like the flare sleeve is kind of a romantic silhouette along with the pearl detailing on the cardigan. Also, I really wanted to show how big these pockets are, so here's me taking out random items from the pockets. Now for this outfit, I just took out the button-down shirt and I'm just wearing the cardigan tucked into the black trousers, and I threw on my leather blazer. And I feel like you could make more outfits out of this as well. Like I could have kept the button-down shirt on underneath the cardigan and then threw on the blazer, or I could even wear the brown turtleneck underneath here. I think there's a lot of mixing and matching you can do for this as well. And then for this outfit, I again layered my button-down shirt over the brown bodysuit and again tucked it all into my black trousers. And I always just really love this look of like a button-down shirt layered over a turtleneck or mock neck. I think it's such a good look for the fall. Next, I have a lot of outfit ideas for this mini skirt because it's probably my favorite out of the 3 bottoms, but I feel like a lot of these top combinations can work for those other 2 pants as well. So first I have on the brown turtleneck and layered the button-down shirt over it just like the last outfit, but this time tucked it into my plaid mini skirt. And of course, like all the other outfits, you can add on to it by throwing on the brown leather blazer as well. If it's a little warmer out and you don't want too much layers, I think the bodysuit is really cute on its own as well. So I just have it tucked into the plaid mini skirt and then I threw on the blazer just right over it. Another really cute layering option is to layer the cardigan over the turtleneck, and I don't think I showed this before, but I think it could also look cute with the trousers as well. But here I tucked it into my plaid mini skirt. And I feel like it's a really cute way to break up these browns going on by adding in this lighter beige color but still sticking to that neutral color palette. And then of course you could always wear the cardigan by itself, and with the skirt I think it looks really cute untucked and kind of gives off fairy core academia vibes, like a librarian fairy-esque outfit, because I feel like I see a lot of like tie front cardigans with fairy core, but with the plaid skirt it gives off more of an academia vibe, as well as the pearl detailing on the cardigan, which I feel like elevates the cardigan a little bit and makes it look a little bit more elegant. But you can also wear the cardigan tucked in, and that's also really cute as well. And then of course you can throw on the blazer over the cardigan as well, again just mixing and matching the different tops and pairing it with the plaid skirt. And then of course you can wear the button-down shirt alone and just tuck it into the plaid skirt. And then finally you can layer the cardigan over the button-down shirt as well and pair that with a plaid skirt. And then I would also layer the blazer over it as well if it's a chillier day. And another thing I just noticed about this mini skirt that I really like is that the back is longer. And I really like that because when I wear a mini skirt I always worry about showing the goods in the back. So I like that it's a little bit longer and makes sure that you're covered. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you out in figuring out what items you want to have in your capsule wardrobe. And if you liked it, don't forget to like, comment down below what you want to see in the future, and subscribe if you aren't already. Follow me on Instagram at @DRESSRELIEF and on TikTok @DRESSRELIEF, and I'll see you guys in the next one.